Ever been in the middle of a binge-watching spree on Prime Video, only to be rudely interrupted by the notorious error code 35? It's a frustrating situation, especially when all you want is to continue watching your favorite show. The issue seems to be particularly prevalent among Roku users, and while it's usually indicative of an internet connection problem, it may also arise due to compatibility issues between the Roku device and the Prime Video app. So how can you resolve this issue and get back to your binge-watching session? There are several steps you can take. Firstly, ensure that both your Prime Video app and Roku device are up to date. Start by restarting your device. Then check for any pending updates for both the app and the device. If updates are available, install them and see if this resolves the issue. If your devices are up to date but the error persists, try performing a full power cycle. This involves disconnecting your device and internet from the power source and letting them rest for around 5 minutes. Then, restart the internet first, followed by the Roku device, ensuring that it reconnects to the internet. Still experiencing the error? It might be time to tinker with your network settings. Try switching your Roku device's network settings to 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz. Some users have reported that this solved their problem, so it's worth a shot. If none of the above solutions work, consider a factory reset of your Roku TV. Be aware though that this will erase your personal preferences, unlink your Roku device from your account, and reset all settings to default. To do this, tap the home button on your remote, navigate to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, choose Factory Reset, and confirm the action. If all else fails, reach out to the Prime Video and Roku support teams for assistance. Since it's unclear whether the issue originates from Roku or Prime Video, it's best to report the error to both parties. So, to recap, update your devices, perform a full power cycle, adjust your network settings, consider a factory reset, and if necessary, contact support. Try these steps, and you should be back to your binge-watching session in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.